Okay, so we've done some color correction. Let's do some retouching of the body and the hand. Let's try and remove the hand. So for this one, I'm going to use the LASSO to this one. Now, because I want to restrict anything I'm going to do to the hand and this other side, I'm going to draw a selection. So let's quickly draw a selection like this. I'm going to draw a selection like this. Okay, let's draw a selection quick. You know, hold down shift to add more selection. I'm going to hold down shift to add more selection like that. All right, so once you've done that, you remembered what we're going to use: the clone stamp tool or the brush tool. Let's start with the clone stamp tool. I like using the clone stamp tool. Now once you do the clone stamp tool, I'm going to merge this layer. Let's merge it so we have one layer. Now because the clone stamp tool won't work, so I'm just going to sample somewhere here and then paint on it like this. Okay, so sample somewhere here, paint on it like this, sample. Let's keep painting, and you keep painting like that. Sample somewhere here, sample, paint, sample, paint, sample. So just quick, I can sample somewhere outside and just do my thing like that. Sample somewhere outside, do my thing like that. Okay, so now once you have it like this, it looks like this. Now you just need to grab your next tool, which is the mixer tool brush. Don't forget all these tools, and you just blend the now you can move outside like this and blend it. It's as simple as that. Sorry, I just come on, let me blend it back. Yep, I don't want to undo that. It's going to bring back the hand, so just quickly like that, as easy as that. All right, so that's how to remove the hand and distraction from the background with your LASSO tool. So you can now Ctrl D to deselect. You can see that the hand is gone. You can even zoom in and see where you get it wrong. So I'm just going to quickly blend this together like this. You won't notice anything. Blend this together. Now look at the top part of the baby's bum bum. You are going to see that it has little imperfections there. So just grab the normal tool and bring it backwards. You can use this just use this one and then bring it back and paste, and bring it back and paste. So that should be fine, and you just find a way to blend it in like that. All right, so that's that for the baby's removing of hand in the image.